Hello everybody, it's Monday morning, January 17. I'm here in Oshawa, Ontario, Canada. We have a lot of snow. It's almost 25 centimeters of snow. You can see it's very bad out there. I'm not able to go to work. I'm stuck here on the snow. Okay, so that's how the weather get here. Really get very bad sometimes. Okay, so I'll show you how I cannot go out of the garage. You will see this is where I have my vehicle, and then so that's the amount of work I have to do to remove the snow. So then it's gonna take me at least an hour to get rid of all this snow. Okay, thank you, have a good day.